Hi everyone, welcome back to Beginner's Guide for Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on your Windows computer. XAMPP is a powerful tool for creating a local web server environment on your machine. First, let's download XAMPP. Open your web browser and go to the official Apache Friends website at apachefriends.org. Once you're there, click on the download button for the Windows version. I've provided the link in the description. Once the download is complete, open the installer. You may see a security warning. Just click Yes to continue. Click OK. Next, you'll see the XAMPP setup wizard. Click Next and select the components you want to install. For most users, the default selection is fine, so just click Next again. Choose the folder where you want to install XAMPP. The default location is usually C, XAMPP. Click Next to proceed. After choosing your installation directory, click Next and then Install. The installation process may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you can launch the XAMPP control panel right away. Click Start next to Apache and MySQL. If both services start without issues, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully installed XAMPP on your Windows computer. You can now start developing and testing your PHP projects locally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.